with a will it start video. First one I've ever done, I guess. Working on like a Cat 240 long reach trackhoe. I know personally I parked this thing here at least 3-4 years ago. 60-foot stick on it. Might be less. It's been so long. It's got a 4-cylinder Cat engine in it. We're gonna see if it'll fire up today. We got to knuckle the boom down on her. I can get the cab open. That might be a problem too. Getting the batteries in it now. Check the oil and stuff. Hop up here and see what we got going on. Turn this radio down. It would appear the muffler is blowed completely out on it. It is junk. Four-cylinder Cat engine.
Oh, she's fucking making.
By God, she's making old Wally. If any of y'all watch Hamiltonville Farm, you know exactly who that is. Let's see if we can give her some juice. Probably won't be able to run it long. We don't have very much water in it. Ooh! I think she's still primed. This thing might just fire right up. And again, we might have to ether it. Everything else looks good. To be a junk like it is, I'm gonna take a pause, get the door open, make sure everything's gonna work, and we'll come back at you. All right, here we go with the trying to start it. I got a key. We got power. Let me turn the switch on. I bet the master switch is off.
Shit.
Let's see. Switch is on.
It is.
It is. We're live. Live action. See what it'll do. Is that smoke boiling up out there? Oh shit. Well, that ain't good. We got smoke boiling out of here. Smell like something getting hot. We're gonna have to do some research. We'll be back. So here we are the next day. We're back at this trackhoe. We worked on it quite a bit yesterday afternoon trying to get it to start. We hooked the batteries to it. Hit the master switch and it just started trying to smoke wires inside of it. I double checked everything. I think a rodent's done got in there and chewed up a bunch of stuff. So then we went and pulled the starter. We're gonna pull the bolts off the starter, the big hot wire and the signal wire. And when we pulled the signal wire off, it broke off because this thing is super rusty from sitting here. So that kind of foiled all them plans. So now we're plan C. That ain't gonna shut, but we're to plan C. We're gonna take a regular trackhoe and we're gonna try and just make this sucker go down. We've got to we got to knuckle it down, get it ready for them to come in and haul it out, scrap iron. If anybody's interested in this machine, this probably late 70s, early model 80s Cat 240 trackhoe long reach. The boom. The stick's good on the boom. There's no cracks or nothing in it, no fractures. The actual boom itself has 1 or 2 cracks in it towards the pins down here, so it wouldn't be any good. I wouldn't put it on any kind of job site. The bucket's in pretty rough shape. It doesn't really do the best, but this machine will be for sale, or it will go to the scrap yard and get cut up. Either or, we've got to get it off our property out of here. But I'm gonna try and get some video clips of us trying to knuckle this down with the regular trackhoe. I'm probably going to go out on a limb and say that when we go to do this, it's probably going to pop a few lines back here just because the hydraulic system holds pretty good on it. But it'll probably pop a few lines and cause a big old mess we'll have to clean up, but that ain't nothing we can't handle. But here's the cab inside this thing, in case anybody was interested in it. Probably after this video is posted, closer into the winter time. Right now it's in the about middle to the end of August, so I would say you'd have a couple months if you wanted dibs on this machine, try and purchase it. But otherwise, our trackhoe is en route, and we'll try and get her knuckled down here and get it on the ground. There's the trackhoe rolling up. So we'll be back at you here just shortly. We'll step back here. Oh yeah, she's gonna go. Oh, still holding. Them lift cylinders are holding her back. She'll pop a line in a minute. He's gonna have to force it down. Now we've got him lined out here. Let's see, I'm probably gonna get covered up in hydraulic oil if I stand here. And it may not go down. We've had to drop them before like this, but there's wasps flying out of this thing. I wish y'all could see it on the video. There is 500 of them flying around here right now. They are not happy. Alright, we couldn't really get any video on this. I had to just go up there and take a line off the boom cylinder. We got her down though. This wasp nest right here is quite pissed. But everything else. Hell, I even tried putting a ratchet strap around the controller because this is an old machine and that didn't even work. But we're gonna get some topsoil, try and soak up some of this hydraulic oil that it's dumped out here, and get this thing ready to go.